Hi, my name is Shivanaran Reddy. I am working in Java developer in Spiro group of companies. Now I am going to explain about topic machine learning methods for attack detection in the smart grid. Abstract. Machine learning algorithms are used to classify measurements as being either the secure or attacked. In attack detection framework is provided to exploratory and any available priori knowledge about the system and some amount constraints assignment from the space structure of the problem in the proposed approach. Experimental analysis show that machine learning algorithm can detect attacks with performances higher than attack detection algorithms that employ state vector estimation methods in the proposed attack detection framework. Existing system proposal system. Existing concept. Attack detection problems in the smart grid are posed as statistical learning problems for different attack scenarios in which the measurements are observed in batch or online setting. In attack detection methods that employ state vector estimation. Machine learning algorithms are used to classify measurements as being either secure or attacked. The relationship between statistical and geometric properties of attack vectors employed in the attack scenarios and learning algorithms are analyzed to detect unobservable attacks using statistical learning methods. Existing algorithm. K nearest neighbor proposed algorithm. Machine learning algorithms. Algorithm definition. The most frequently observed class label is computed using majority voting among the class labels of the samples in the neighborhood and assigned at the class level of SI. Machine learning methods have been widely proposed in the smart grid literature for monitoring and control of power systems. We established the relationship between the statistical learning methods and attacking detection problems in the smart grid. Drawbacks. Attack detection problems in the smart grid. One of the challenging problems of this approach is the Jacobian measurement matrices of power systems in the smart grid. The proposed algorithms are estimated on various IEEE test systems. Experimental analysis show that the machine learning algorithms can detect attacks with performances higher than attack detection algorithms. Applications. Phone line technology, TCP IP networks. System requirements. Hardware. Processor Pentium 4 2.6 GHz Intel Core Duos. RAM 2.512 MB DDRAM. Monitor 15-inch color. Hard disk 40 GB. Software. Front end Java J2EE Servlet JSP. Backend MySQL. Operating system Windows 7. IDE NetBeans Eclipse. Future enhancement. First apply the proposed approach and the method and classification problem for a decision which of several possible attacks types of occurred given that attacks has been detected. Then we can consider the relationship between the measurement noise and properties of learning models for development of attack detection and classification algorithm. Here future technique is polynomial time algorithm. Technique definition. A known algorithm that is guaranteed to terminate within a number of steps, which is the polynomial function of size of the problem. See also computational complexity, exponential time, non-deterministic probabilistic time, NP complete. Extravagancy. To determine the minimum number of measurements an adversary needs manipulate in order to perform a hidden attack. Greedy techniques are presented to aid the system operator in identifying critical measurements for protection to prevent such hidden data attacks. Thank you.